Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to encrypt or decrypt a message with PGP or open source tools. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So encrypting and decrypting messages or files with the PGP tool or an open source tool is involves using a pair of cryptographic keys, a public key and a private key. So first of all, you need to key pair your generation. You need to generate a unique public or private key pair using the PGP or GPG tool. This typically involves providing your name, email address, and a strong passphrase to protect your private keys. Now, you can also share your public keys and start the encryption process, like import the recipient's public key, select the message and encrypt it, and send encrypted message. Now, once the encrypted message is received, you need to decrypt it. Use your PGP or GPG software to decrypt the message or file. Now, access the decrypted content and you're all set. So this is how you can encrypt or decrypt a message with PGP open source tools. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.